These rugged phones are powered by some of the most powerful mobile processors in the entire world. In this video, we'll be exploring the top specs of these rugged phones. If you know of any rugged phone that you believe is powered by a much more powerful processor, then feel free to share them in the comments section below. So without further ado, let's dig into it. The Ulefone number 23 Ultra is Ulefone's latest flagship. Ulefone calls the device the Ultra Rugged Phone, but it's not just a flagship rugged phone, it's a flagship smartphone in general. It comes packed with tons of cool features and specs that might make the device cost up to $1,000 when it's available. The device was unveiled at the MWC Barcelona event, and as for the launch date, I do not know for now. In this video, I'll be talking about the top specifications and features of the Ulefone Armor 23 Ultra. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dig into it. The Ulefone Armor 23 Ultra is the third smartphone to feature a two-way satellite messaging. The other two smartphones are the Motorola Defy 2 and the Cat S75. How the feature works basically is that it allows you to communicate via satellite messaging even if the area you're located has no cellular coverage. As for the body of the device, the phone has a titanium frame, while the back cover of the phone features a nano texture design that enhances grip and reduces fingerprints. The phone boasts a large 6.67-inch AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution, which provides crisp and clear visuals. The display also has an almost bezel-less design that maximizes the screen real estate. The display is 120Hz. The phone is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, which provides excellent performance and power efficiency. The 8 Gen 1 is known for its heating issues, but is still one of the best flagship processors out there. The phone also utilizes 16GB of RAM. The RAM is expandable. This is the only rugged phone with such a huge RAM, guys. There is no rugged phone with 16GB RAM. Only the Ulefone Armor 23 Ultra utilizes 16GB RAM. The phone is equipped with a 1TB internal storage, guys. 1TB. In terms of camera, the Ulefone Armor 23 Ultra features triple cameras. At the rear, a 108MP primary camera, a 16MP ultra-wide camera, and it has a 5x periscope camera. There is no details about the periscope camera for now. I think the details will be available once the device is officially released. Also, the Ulefone Armor 23 Ultra is the first rugged phone to feature an under-display camera. The phone has a 16MP camera, which is located under the display. That's why it's called under display camera, and because of that, it ensures a seamless and uninterrupted viewing experience. The Ulefone Armor 23 Ultra is also the first rugged phone to feature an in-display fingerprint scanner. The fingerprint scanner is also located under the display, which provides a convenient and a much more advanced way to unlock the phone. The phone is backed up by a 7000 mAh battery. The Ulefone Armor 23 Ultra is also the first rugged phone to support a 120 watts fast charging. The device supports NFC. It is also rated IP68 and IP69K, which means that it's dustproof and waterproof and can withstand immersion in water up to a certain depth and duration. It is also military standard H10H certified, which means that it can withstand extreme temperatures, vibration, and shock. The phone also runs on the latest Android operating system, the Android 13. So with these specs and features, I believe that the Ulefone Armor 23 Ultra is truly an ultra rugged flagship device. I'd like to hear your thoughts about the Ulefone Armor 23 Ultra, so feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you. Motorola's latest flagship is a rugged phone. It is called the Motorola ThinkPhone. Rugged phones aren't actually stylish. Rugged phones are designed to be durable, so durability is one of the key motives for designing rugged phones. But this phone, the Motorola ThinkPhone, is one of the good-looking rugged phones. There are many other rugged phones that are good-looking, for example, the Ulefone Armor 17 Pro, the Doji V30, and so on. The ThinkPhone is the best rugged phone in my opinion in terms of features and specs. It's a flagship rugged phone. Some of its features are far better than other rugged phones that I'm aware of. And of course, without wasting much of a time, let's talk about the features of the Motorola ThinkPhone. So in terms of design, the rear is made of aramid fiber. Fiber is stronger than steel. The phone has aluminum frame, and the display is protected with the Gorilla Glass Victus. The ThinkPhone has a thickness of 8.3mm and a weight of 188.5 grams. It flaunts a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus POLED display with a high refresh rate of 144 Hz. And like I mentioned earlier, the display is protected with the Gorilla Glass Victus, which protects the display from scratches and impacts. The display also supports HDR10 Plus technology, which allows for more vibrant and lifelike colors when viewing content. The phone runs on the Android 13 operating system and is powered by a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, which is capable of delivering fast and smooth performance. The Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor is the most powerful mobile processor currently. I think MediaTek is working on the Dimensity 9000, which is expected to be more better than the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. But we just have to wait and see. The ThinkPhone has different variants. The highest is the 12GB RAM and 512GB internal storage variant. But unfortunately, all the variants does not have a slot for a memory card. In terms of camera capabilities, the Motorola ThinkPhone has a triple camera setup at the back with a main sensor of 50MP, which is capable of recording up to 8K videos. It also has a 32MP front-facing camera for selfies and video calls. The selfie could capture 4K videos. The phone is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery. It's large but not quite massive compared to other rugged phones. The ThinkPhone supports fast charging with a maximum speed of 68 watts, as well as wireless charging at 15 watts. It also has stereo speakers and NFC support for easy data transfer and contactless payments. One thing to note is that the Motorola ThinkPhone does not have a 3.5mm jack for headphones, so you will need to use a wireless or USB Type-C connection to listen to music or take calls. However, the phone does support IP68 rating, which means it is water and dust resistant, and it is MIL STD 810H compliant, which refers to its ability to withstand harsh environments and conditions. It also has an under-display fingerprint sensor for secure and convenient unlocking. Lastly, the phone supports dual SIM standby and 5G connectivity for faster internet speeds. Like I said earlier, in my opinion, the Motorola ThinkPhone is the best rugged phone in terms of its features and specs. And of course, I do not know when the phone will be officially released, but like I said earlier, I think it's going to be released before the end of January. What are your thoughts about this new flagship from Motorola? Share in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update.